Aloha everybody, it's Joey again with another edition of Year with No Fear. Today we're celebrating my 31st birthday with a helicopter ride over Kauai. But not just any helicopter ride, we're going no doors today with Mauna Loa Helicopters. So we just got off the helicopter, and what'd you guys think?
It was the most awesome. If you ever come to Kauai, you have to take a helicopter ride. It
Doors
was
off.
phenomenal.
Doors off. It makes it such a difference. It is so incredible.
It was
doors off.
Yeah, it was pretty fantastic. It literally, the moments we were taking turns, I literally felt like I was gonna fall out of the helicopter. But the seatbelt was sturdy, and that's really what matters in the end, right? So thank you to Mauna Loa Helicopters. Amazing experience, Chelsea, our pilot, and everybody. Just getting us to where we need to go. So much fun. And so that kind of wraps up the this month's Year with No Fear adventure. Tune in next time for more exciting stuff. It's going to be crazy. Oh, and also thanks to my parents for coming with me. You know, it's nice to have people who are with you for your no fear adventures. So thanks, guys.
Joe, no fear.
You.
All right.
Awesome.